Venice Beach, which receives millions of visitors a year, has been labeled as a culture hub known for its eccentricities as well as global tourist destination. It includes the promenade that runs parallel to the beach, the Venice Beach Boardwalk, Muscle Beach, and the Venice Beach Recreation Center with handball court, paddle tennis court, a skate dancing plaza, and numerous beach volleyball court. It also includes a bike trail and many business on the ocean front wall. The basketball court in Venice are renowned across the country for their high levels of streetball. Numerous professional basketball players developed their games or have been recruited on this court. Venice Beach will host triathlon, the start of the marathon, and the start of road cycling during the 2028 Summer Olympics. Along the southern portion of the beach, at the end of Washington Boulevard, is the Venice Fishing Pier, a 1310 a foot or 400-meter concrete structure. It first opened in 1964, was closed in 1983 due to El Nino storm damage, and reopened in mid-1990s. On December 21st, 2005, the pier again suffered damage when wave from a large northern swell caused part of it to fall into the ocean. The pier remained closed until May 25, 26, when it was reopened after an engineering study concluded that it was structurally sound citizen needed. The Venice Breakwater is an acclaimed local surf spot in Venice. It is located north of the Venice Pier and lifeguard headquarters and south of the Santa Monica Pier. This spot is sheltered on the north by an artificial barrier, the breakwater consisting of an extending sandbar, piping, and large rock at its end. Citizen needed. In late 2010, the Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors conducted a 1.6 million replacement of 30,000 cubic yards of sand at Venice Beach eroded by rainstorm in recent years. Although Venice Beach is located in the city of Los Angeles, the county is responsible for maintaining the beach under an agreement reached between the two governments in 1975. Oakwood. Oakwood lies inland from the tourist area and it is one of the few historical African American area in West Los Angeles. East of Lincoln. East of Lincoln is separated from Oakwood by Lincoln Boulevard in extent east to the border with Mar Vista, aside from the commercial strip on Lincoln, including the Venice Boys and Girls Club and the Venice United Methodist Church. There are almost entirely consist of small homes and apartments as well as Penarm Park and bordering Santa Monica Penarm Golf Course. Housing project. Lincoln Place apartment homes built by the Housing Authority of the City of Los Angeles is currently undergoing a 140 million renovation to add 99 new market rate apartment homes and update the remaining 696 existing home. A new pool, two-story fitness center, resident park, and sustainable landscaping and being handed AMCO, which acquired the property in 2003, had previously been in a legal battle to determine whether or not Lincoln Place could be demolished and rebuilt. In 2010, AMCO settled with tenant and agreed to reopen the project and return scores of affected residents to their homes and add hundreds of units into the Venice area. Venice Walk Street. The Venice Walk Street are three pedestrian-only residential streets. The streets are Marco Place, Amoroso Place, and Novita Place, located west of Lincoln Boulevard and east of Shell Avenue. Los Angeles recognized a larger North Venice Walk Street historic district. The Walk Street narrower the regular street are too small for regulation street sweeper, so the street had designed a smaller size street sweeper.